Hello everyone. I've already predicted the expected cutoff for KCT and I have given expected cutoff of all the 33 subjects. Cutoff for all the 33 subjects. Okay, all the 33 subjects have been covered. So now I will take all the queries. Okay, all the queries that you put on the comment section, and I will show the cutoff also. I will show the cutoff, and after showing, I will take all the questions, all the queries, and I will try to answer as many as possible. Okay. Okay. So one friend, Mamta, has written she is getting 156 in commerce. So what should be her result? So see, Mamta, 150 can be the cutoff for commerce, and if you are getting 156, then that means you are definitely clearing the exam. Okay. Ram Rachu has written 134. He is getting in history, 134 in history. So history 155 is for UR, and you are getting 134, and you are ST, and plus you are PWD candidate. So it will be enough, more than enough for you, and you will definitely clear the exam. Okay, you will definitely clear the exam because 134 is more than enough, for ST candidate plus PWD candidate you are. So this will be enough for you. Mahesh Sri has written Vanij 150, that means commerce, I guess. Commerce 152 commerce, and he is from reserve category as well. So Mahesh, if you are getting 152, that means you are definitely clearing the exam because cutoff may be around 150. So congratulations to you as well. So now mathematical science, Sumita is getting 146 mathematical science. So 145 can be the cutoff, and you are getting 146. That means you will clear the exam. Congratulations to you as well. Swapna Moi Sarkar is getting 194 in geography. 194 in geography. Swapna Moi Sarkar. Geography cutoff can be around 165, and if you are getting more than 165, actually you are getting 194, that is more than enough. You will definitely clear the exam. Okay, you will definitely clear the exam. Sarnab is getting 160 in English. So English cutoff can be around 116. If you are getting 160, that means you will definitely clear it. Okay. And Sukra is getting 158 in history. 158 in history, and history is 155, so you will definitely clear it. Political science, Ningam is getting 154 in political science. 154 in political science. And he is ST category, so he will definitely clear it. Okay, you will definitely clear it, Ningam. And Ganesh Agadi getting 152 in commerce. 152 in commerce I have said 150, and you are getting 162. That means you will clearly clear the exam. Okay, Ganesh. And 154 in mathematics, Viha. 154 in mathematics, Viha. If you are getting 154, you will definitely clear it. Okay, because cutoff can be around 145. Somebody asked about life science. He definitely had missed life science cutoff. So persona something user ID he has, and you can see I have given life science cutoff, and it's 165. Okay, it's 165 life science cutoff, 165. You can see if you are getting it, good, well enough. Saluja is getting 154 in political science. That means you will clear it. Okay, you will definitely clear it. Prapati getting 148 in mathematical science. 148 in mathematical science, you will clear it definitely. Okay, Prapati. Mamata Sivanand getting 156 in commerce. Good for you. You will definitely clear it. And Sarda Nayak is getting 140. Sarda Nayak is getting 140 in commerce, and she is SC category. She is SC category and getting 140. Sarda, 140 for SC category would be enough. Okay, it would be enough. So you will definitely clear it. Silikhit Kumar is getting life science 160 marks. 160 marks, and he is from reserve category. As I have told you, 165 can be cut off for UR. you would be clearing the exam if you are from reserve category. Okay, if you are from reserve category, Selekit, then you would clear the exam. Okay, Aswini, commerce 158. Aswini, Kumar Aswini, if you are getting 158, you will clear the exam. Rajbhaksa 144 in political science. 144 in political science. You have not written anything. If you are from UR category or from reserve category, if you are from reserve category, then there is definitely chance if you are getting 144. But if you are from UR category, it would be little tougher for you. Okay. Vidyup is getting 152 commerce and he is from reserve category. You will clear the exam. Okay. Arjun getting 142 political science. Arjun getting 142 political science, and you have mentioned that you are from SC category. If you are getting 142 and you are from SC category, you can clear the exam. Okay, Sweta getting 152 in English and SC category. Sweta getting 152 in English. Sweta getting 152 in English, and she is from SC category, so chances are high. Okay, chances are high you can clear the exam. Okay, you can definitely clear the exam. Manjunath getting 150 in chemical science. Chemical science, if you are getting 150, then you can clear the exam. Okay, chemical science, one more. Ramesh Madhur getting 142. 142. Ramesh Madhur get 42 in chemical science. If you are from your category, you had not mentioned, then it would be tough for you. Okay, it would be tough for you if you are from your category. Okay, so I have tried to give answer to most of the questions. I have taken many questions. If I have missed anyone, you can comment again here and I will try to answer on the comment. Okay, congratulations to whoever cleared the exam, and best of luck to you, and hope for the best. Thank you.